Have to remember to put this thing in neutral.
Morning everybody, Jason, Hollis Farms. Me and Pete's loaded up in the motorhome. Gonna run down to the store and fill her up with fuel. Get her ready to go. Alright y'all, so me and Pete got the toter full of fuel. And I was out of Dr. Pepper, so I got me a little Dr. Pepper. I wasn't gonna do it, but I couldn't stand it. A little sausage biscuit. Ready to roll now. Alright y'all, we back at the speed shop. Take a look at the street stock. Not gonna look like this for long. First time I ever put letters, numbers on a used car, but we're going to, because it ain't wore out. We're gonna get some more use out of it. I think it looked pretty good right up under. Perfect. Now y'all know, as y'all watching this video, there will probably be some open spots on here, and the spots that are taken, if somebody's got more money, their spot can be taken off and made smaller. So don't hesitate if you want to sponsor the 5 car, whether it be the street stock or the mod. Message us on Facebook, because I will make somebody's logo smaller, or I'll pull Hollis Farms off if you got enough money. So don't make no difference to us. Got a few skid marks on it, tire mark. It's gonna be all right. Custom. Side a little bit wider, ain't it? Yep. Almost. It ain't right, it's there now, ain't it? Yeah. Dirty. What you think? Custom. Lettered up. The street stock is ready. Locked and loaded. Alright y'all, me and Pete finally made it back to the farm. Got the street stock lettered up today in the trailer. Only one more thing that I need to do I hadn't done yet. I gotta hook the motor home up to it and get everything leveled out and see how everything's gonna ride and all that good stuff. Oh, I know here lately it's been a lot of racing videos. Oh, a couple reasons. We had 2 cars to get ready and pretty much deer hunted pretty hard all winter and had customers, and kind of not really waited to the last minute, but I like to hunt, y'all know that. I know y'all like to watch it. And also it has been raining just about every day, so it got into the hog hunting really bad. It rained so much. We've gotten to do a little hog hunting, but not near as much as I wanted to. Turkey season's right around the corner. I got a lot of tractor work I gotta do. I got spraying I gotta do. I got burning I need to do. It has just been too wet. I have never seen quite this much rain. I didn't do any videoing on the flooding and the tornadoes and all. But there's water down here, and I may get down there and video some of that before it's over with, but there's water down here that I hadn't seen this high in 30 years. So just been a lot going on. I'm just proud I had something to do inside while all this rain and stuff was going on. But y'all don't give up on me. I know a lot of y'all may not like the racing stuff. This show is not gonna, this channel is not turning into a racing channel for sure, because we got too much farm work to do. We just got to get the weather right. Just kind of been in between, but I appreciate y'all bearing with us, and I'm just glad I had something I could do to video. Anyway, if y'all like our stuff, subscribe to us, Hollis Farms. Hats, t-shirts, and stickers, hollisfarms.com. Appreciate y'all watching. Out of here.